Shalom, Kapiwa. El Gibor. Sino nga ba si El Gibor? Number one is a mighty God. Emphasizes divine strength, power, and majesty. In Isaiah 9:6, Psalm 24, verse 8. Secondly, strong Redeemer. Showcases Yahweh's ability to deliver and save. In Isaiah 60, verse 16, Psalm 72, 12 to 14. Then finally, protector and defender, guards and shield his people. Psalm 28, 7 to 9, Isaiah 31, 4 to 5. What is the meaning of El Gibor's name? One, mighty God or strong God, and also a mighty warrior. In Isaiah 9:6, divine omnipotence. In Psalm 24, verse 8, Jeremiah 32, 17 to 19. Thirdly, redemptive power. In Isaiah 60, 16, Psalm 72, 12 to 14. Now let's go to how El Gibor works. Number one, creation and sustenance. Yes, he continually creates and he sustains his creation. In Genesis 1, 131, Psalm 104, 1 to 35. And secondly, redemption and salvation. In Isaiah 45, 21 to 22, and Romans 3, 24 to 26. He redeemed, he restored, and he saves. Then thirdly, protection and guidance. In Psalm 23, 1 to 4, Isaiah 30, verse 21. Then finally, judgment and justice. In Psalm 9, 7 to 8, Revelation 19, 11 to 16. El Gibor is a just God. He judges wisely and he judges justly. Then, as we know, El Gibor, the mighty God, the mighty warrior. Then what is our application in our daily lives? Number one, trust in divine strength. Kung makapangyarihan ng Diyos nga, kailangan lamang natin sa pagkatiwalaan. Sapagkat tayo nanghihina, nanlulupaypay. Let us recognize El Gibor's power. Makapangyarihan siya at siyang may dirima.